Oh, shoot.
Welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Oh, got some ground chicken. Ooh, let's make some spring rolls. All right, I got my ground chicken. I'm gonna drop it off into the pan and cook it all the way through. Now that I got my chicken all cooked off, I'm gonna drain the grease and put it off to the side. Alright, check me out. I got some baby bella mushrooms and some white onions I'm gonna cook off and add to the ground chicken. Don't forget your salt and pepper. Y'all remember that sauce that we used for those tuna steaks? Well, I brought it back. I'm gonna add a little slurry to it to thicken it up, and then we're gonna add it to the chicken, the mushrooms, and the white onions. Alright, our sauce is all thickened up. If you ever get your sauce too thick though, add a little chicken broth, chicken stock, thin it out. While that chicken mixture is cooling down, I sliced up some serrano peppers, cucumber, carrots, red and green bell pepper, and some green cabbage. We're gonna put all this in the roll. Also made an almond sauce to go along with it. Alright, these are the spring roll wraps. Put them in some warm water, soften them up, lay them out. Stay tuned.